If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more.
Hi guys, so I'm coming today to show you guys 4 cute little hairstyles that you can do for your natural hair. Just different things, to switch it up. Get right into it. So I'm going to start with expressing the hair, get it nice and moist, try to get the curls loosened. Here I'm using a milk conditioner, and I will link everything in the comments below or the description box. And here I'm just going in with another conditioner. Again, I will link it in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm going in and parting my hair for the desired hairdo. I was kind of going for a half up, half down look, so I did my hair half and half. Now I'm just going in with a little edge tamer, trying to add an extra couple of curls on the sides. Gotta get the desired look. So I just continued to go in and play with it until I got the look that I was actually wanting, something that I liked. Kind of wanted something with bangs, so let's see. So now I'm just pinning it up into a ponytail, as you can see. Yeah, my life. But look, we're going to get that fixed, okay? Because we ain't got time for trying to get it now. We're going to fix that. We black. Worked out perfectly. So yeah, I'm just pinning it up into a ponytail, as you can see. Just make sure, it's nice and tight, but not too tight because, my hair is curly. So I didn't want it to get too tangled. So now I'm just releasing the back, getting a little fluffing. As you can see, look one. You can leave it down nice, cute, and puffy, or you can put it up into a bun, which I decided to do. Just give it a little turn, add a rubber band to secure it. And now you have look 2. Give it a little fluff, give it a little shake. Okay, so now we're going on to 3. Okay, so here I'm just going in and doing the same thing I did the first time, sectioning it off for the desired look that I wanted. And here it's kind of feeling too pigtail, so I just parted down the middle and went in and secured it with a ponytail holder or a rubber band. And again, I was kind of feeling a bang, so I just Brung out a couple of hairs in the front. Just a little more edge tamer. And securing it down. I'm just going to go in and do the same thing to the other side. Repeating the same steps. And I just secure it down and continue to play with it until I get the desired look that I'm going for. I removed the back and gave it a little shake. And there you go. Look 3. Nice and fluffy, nice and curly, cute for the summer. Not too much. But look 4, you can also add it into buns, which I decided to do. And it just give it a whole nother, cute little vibe to it. So I just secured them both down with rubber bands and don't stress about trying to get everything too perfect. With you being natural, it kind of give you a fair advantage to have like the cute little messy look in a way. And I just continue to play with it until I got exactly how I wanted. And look 4. Yes, cute styles for the summer. Not too hard, not too long. Something to show off them curls, girls. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe.